up, guys? So today we are going to be doing 3D pen models for fun. If you don't know, guys, 3D pen is mainly my most biggest business. As you know, I've already made $5 bills, $13. I'm profiting a lot for my first 2 sales. If you want to be one of my clients, go to facebook.com and go to Peyton Martinez Bros Inc. See you guys.
Start always with making the base of the model. Then what I did is make 6 layer first, then a grayish white to make the window with 3 layers, then the roof was 5 layers for the fist part of the model. Then use 6 layers with your next building, then 3 layers, then get 4 blue layer for the roof.
If you're finished with your model, then if you are a business owner like me, make 4 models if so. But if you're going to put them on a shelf, if you are not a business owner like me, then make 1 model. Because you would waste tons of PLA. If you run out of PLA, you can get them on Amazon for $7. Subscribe.
Alright guys, so some of these are all the unlimited edition. These ones are not diverse. They're the same. Just one of them, let me just show you in a second, are, if you can see up close, the third one. The third one, if you look this way, that one right there is a little mess up on tracks, if you can see. But other than that, these are all the unlimited edition. Alright guys, if you like seeing these all, and you want to buy some of these, now this row, the back row to the front row, one, and the green dragons, like those ones right here, these 2 are new. This green, and this one is too. These are all my Minecraft. Basically everything I have in Minecraft. The back one, this right here, I just made in this video, was my nether city I created. because I am a really good master builder in Minecraft. So if you like this video, guys, subscribe and leave a notification or comment if you want one of these.